Hi Dresser Cuties, Woody here. Today we're going to draw flowers for mom or for anyone you love. So let's get started. To draw these cute flowers, let's first start by drawing a U at a slant. So I'm going to start right, let's say about right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw the bottom of a U to create my tulips. So nice and round. And go up. About there. So something like that, and then from there I'm going to go up a little bit more, but as I go up I'm just going to kind of slant in a little, curve in a little bit, and then come out. And same thing here, curve in a little bit and come out. Just come in here and smooth out my line. Then from there I'm going to go ahead and draw 3 curves. So I'm going to come out for this first one, and then bring it in about right there, and then the center. So just remember, everything is still at this angle. So turn your body or the paper, and then one more. And round it off. So nice and soft. That's the goal. There, so we got one. Then we're going to draw another one right next to it. So I'm just going to come about right here because I want it touching. So I'll just use this as my guide. I want to kind of go about right here. And so I'm just going to turn my body, and let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and just imagine my U once again coming down. I want to end about the same level as the other one. So about right here and go up there. Okay, so then from there, once again, we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to curve out a little bit, kind of at the same level, and then come back in. And once again, the center, and one more. There. Now we have our 2 tulips in. Let's come back into the center area. So I'll use this as my center. I'm going to go straight up to say about right here, not too high, say about right here. I'll give myself a point, and that's going to be the center of this heart that I'm going to create. So I'm going to go up and out, just bring it in about right here. So same thing on the other side. About right there. There, so this is my heart right in this area, and I'm going to come back in. I thought it would just be kind of cute. Come up in the center and just draw a circle, and same thing over here. There. Okay, so then now that I have that, we need to draw the stem. So I'm going to come straight down the center, about right here. Come straight down in between. Not too low. Let's just say about right here. I'll stop. And then we have the center of this tulip, so about right here. We just want it all next to each other, right there. And the center is about right here on this tulip. So you just want to bring it all together, because in this area is where we need to put a circle for the center of our bow. So I'm just going to come right in this area right here and just draw a circle or an oval big enough to cover these stems. If you'd rather draw this first, definitely you can do that. And whatever space you have left. I just wanted to draw in the stems first so I know kind of how big I need to make my circle. Okay, so then now the center of my bow, I'm going to go ahead and just draw the loops for a simple little bow. And then the center, and same thing over here. There. And then let's continue our stems. So come straight down. So this is more of just like a stick with a heart on top. And I'll just end it about right here. And then the stems. Just kind of put it right about here. And same thing here. There. Okay, and then last thing you need to do is just to put in maybe a tail for our bow. And just tuck it right in here. And same thing here. There. And oh, I almost forgot. I need to put in some cute faces, right? That's what I knew was missing. Something looked empty. So let's come on this one, and I'll just come right about in this area and just draw a small circle. Give a little highlight and shade it in. And about right here as well. And a sweet smile right in the center. Now it's cute, right? And two curves over the eyes. And then on this one, we can change it up a little bit. Maybe just some happy eyes. And here. And a sweet smile. That kind of goes up a little bit. There. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of a sweet bouquet for mom or for anyone you love. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.